If you think someone is using your Wi-Fi without permission, I'll show you how to find them and remove them step by step. So first, we need to see all devices connected to our network, and for that, we are using Kali Linux with Nmap. Open your terminal and type this command. This command scans your entire local network and shows every active device connected to your Wi-Fi. As you can see here, we have multiple IP addresses. Each one represents a device in the network. Now, the problem is we don't know which one is ours yet. So before blocking anything, we need to know our own device IP so we don't block ourselves accidentally. Let's type IPA. This command shows all network interfaces, and here you can find your current IP address. Next, we need the router's IP, which is called the default gateway. This line right here, that's your router IP, and we'll use it to access the network settings. Now, you can take this IP and open it in your browser to log into your router. Login details are usually written on the back of the router. Or the easier way is using your internet provider app. In my case, I'm using the TELUS app. Open the app. Go to connected devices and you will see all devices currently using your Wi-Fi. Now, if you see a device you don't recognize, just tap on it and click pause to cut the internet instantly. Pause will temporarily stop the connection, and you can also remove the device completely depending on your system or your internet provider. And just like that, you're back in control of your network. Now you can exactly know who's in your Wi-Fi and how to remove them. Follow for more Kali and network security tips.